Hello and welcome to this video in the Microsoft Ads training series. Today, we will be creating our catalog sales campaign in Facebook for remarketing our Microsoft Ads site visitors. It's incredibly important to be in front of your customers on every possible useful platform. The biggest mistake that beginner marketers make is to keep all of their marketing efforts on a single platform. Just because you're comfortable doesn't mean you will be forever. But before we get to the video, I wanted to remind everyone to subscribe to the channel. I put out a video every single day to build your knowledge in advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping. I do this absolutely free of charge. I also host a live call every Thursday night for the Facebook group where I give away a 1-hour consulting call. By subscribing, you're helping this channel reach more people and build out the revenue required to keep producing these videos for you. Thank you so much for clicking through. I hope you enjoyed the video. Open up your Facebook Business Manager and navigate to your Ads Manager. Once inside your Ads Manager, click on the Create button to create a new campaign. The campaign objective is going to be Catalog Sales. Give your campaign an easy to recognize name. How about Catalog Remarketing? Then select the proper catalog from the drop-down list and go to the next page. Inside of the ad group, we're going to select that we're running retargeting ads to people who interacted with your products on and off of Facebook. We will select the first option, viewed or added to cart, but not purchased, and do this for a 14-day window. Always use automatic placements to start. Facebook has incredibly advanced software that helps make them one of the best advertising platforms in the world. Don't hamstring them because some guru with a YouTube channel said this is the best way to do it and they know better than Facebook. They don't. For budget and schedule, optimize your ad delivery for link clicks. Don't put a cost control option and set your daily budget, roughly 15% of your current budget, for cold interest targeting. If you find that you're spending that entire budget every single day, increase the budget until you achieve the desired results for your campaigns. There's nothing wrong with spending all of your budget in a day and keeping it at that level if you're getting the results you need. Why 15%? The average consumer needs to interact with a website 3 times before they purchase. Since we're putting our consumers into our remarketing campaign for a total of 2 weeks, we want them to click once every 7 days. So we would need to take the daily budget we currently spend on cold interest targeting and divide by 7, which comes out to roughly 14.28%. But I always round up to be on the safe side. This should ensure you the opportunity to get 2 more interactions with your potential customers in that 2-week time frame. Since this is a catalog sales ad and we're optimizing for link clicks, we have the opportunity to run this campaign to only be charged when a customer clicks. You have to love having the opportunity to use a predominantly impression-based medium to do performance-based marketing. Alright, click next to move on to the ad. Facebook uses the default ad style of having the image of the product, the headline is the title of the product, and the newsfeed text is the product price. I like this. It gets the point across but isn't too much. The last thing that I would do is give an incentive to come back to the website and make a purchase. Why not offer a 10% discount in the primary text box? Use something super generic like, "Spring has sprung, get 10% off at checkout with code SPRING10. It may seem dumb, but it works. This concludes the beginner's training on Microsoft Search Ads. I truly hope that you found some value inside of the series. If so, give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, dropshipping, and Shopify training. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.